Thank you, dear. A lot of English learners call people dear when speaking English. At first, this really confused me and made me very uncomfortable because calling someone dear is like calling them my love, sweetheart, darling, or honey. It's okay to call your husband or wife dear, that's normal. And it's okay to call your children dear. That is also normal. But when you use dear with another adult who is not your husband or your wife, it sounds very condescending, which means that it sounds like you think that you are better or more important than the other person. It's kind of like saying, you are just a cute little child who doesn't know anything. But what I've realized is that a lot of English learners are using this word because they think that it shows respect. However, as I have just explained, it does not show respect. In fact, many people will be offended if you call them dear. So, what should you call someone if you want to show respect? If you want to show respect, just ask them, how would you like me to address you? And then, call them what they ask you to call them.